Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's May again from Music Unlimited, and today I'm going to show you the lounge here on board Marella Explorer. Come on, join me as I show you this lovely place. The lounge is a beautiful and eye-catching lounge bar. It is located on deck 6. Here, you can listen to some live music from 7:15 until midnight. So this is the lounge in the morning. Very quiet indeed. All the musicians on board Marella Explorer play here every day, and we Music Unlimited play here as well, once or twice a week. The lounge is a wide and stylish place with a hot pink piano and color-changing feature bar. So, this is the bar. And this is the view from the stage. Oh, I love those ring-shaped seats. And that's the stage. Oh, there's Romeo. In this area, you can admire the beautiful view. And today we are in Dubrovnik, Croatia. It's lovely, isn't it? Oh, there's Romeo. Jump if you're happy. Oh, he's happy again. Here, you can watch the world go by while having a cup of coffee from the coffee port. Just so you know, coffee port is just next to the lounge, so you can easily get some coffee and take a seat on one of these ring-shaped seats. So this is us, Music Unlimited, while playing here in the lounge. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Please share it, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, so that you'll be notified if we have some new videos. Thank you so much once again. Take care. Have a lovely day. God bless. Love from Music Unlimited. See you soon.